Remember Google AI Studio, the free tool for my first video that almost nobody opens? Well, it can do something that feels impossible. You type one sentence describing a website, and it builds the whole thing, design, sections, even working features in seconds. No code, no templates, no credit card. In the next few minutes, I'll take you from a single prompt to a real, shareable website, completely free. If you've ever wanted a site for your portfolio, your side hustle, or a class project, this is the fastest way I know. Let's build one from scratch. Step 1. Open the tool. Head to aistudio.google.com and sign in with any Google account. Along the top, you'll see a tab called Build. That's the one we want. This is Google's playground for its Gemini models, and the interface is completely free. No subscription, no credits to buy, no credit card. Now, most people open AI Studio, see something that looks like a developer tool, get intimidated, and immediately close it. That instinct is exactly why almost nobody knows it can build entire websites. Don't close it. We're about to use one of the most powerful free AIs on the internet to do the hard work for us. Step 2. The one prompt. In the box, just describe the website you want, like you're texting a friend. For example, build a clean one-page website for a home bakery called Sweet Crumbs, with a hero section, a menu of 6 items with prices, customer reviews, and a contact form, using warm, cozy colors. The more specific you are, the purpose, the sections, the vibe, the better your very first result will be. And see those little chips you can switch on? They add real features like image generation or Google Maps with a single click. So you're not just describing a page that sits there, you're describing a working website. Step 3. Hit run, and this is where jaws drop. Behind the scenes, AI Studio writes all the code itself, but you never see or touch a line of it. What you get is a live, clickable preview of your actual website, right there on the screen, usually in just a few seconds. Scroll it, click the buttons, open the menu. It's a real working site, not a flat picture. The images are generated, the sections are laid out, the contact form is wired up. The thing you imagined 10 seconds ago is now sitting in front of you alive. Honestly, take a moment the first time. It really is that fast. Step 4. Make it perfect just by talking to it. Don't like something? Tell it. Type, make the header dark and keep it at the top when I scroll, or add a frequently asked questions section, or change the headline and make the buttons rounded. It rewrites the site and updates the preview instantly. No code, no dragging little boxes around. You can go back and forth as many times as you like, shaping it sentence by sentence until it's exactly right. This is the part that quietly replaces a web designer. Instead of learning complicated tools, you just say what you want in plain English, and it happens. Keep refining until you're genuinely proud of it. Step 5. Getting it out into the world for free. The easiest option. Click Share, and AI Studio gives you a link to your live site that you can send to anyone. Your private key stays safely hidden, and it runs on Google's free tier. Want it on your own web address? Export the whole project as a zip file, or push it to GitHub and drop it onto any free web host in minutes. One honest note, because it runs on the free Gemini tier, there are generous daily limits. Perfectly fine for a personal site, a portfolio, or a demo. For most people watching this, that is more than enough to get a real website live without paying a single cent. So here's your challenge. Open AI Studio tonight and describe one website you've always wanted for yourself, your work, or an idea you've been sitting on for months, and watch it appear from a single sentence. Then send the link to one person. If this blew your mind, subscribe. Every week, I turn a free AI tool into something genuinely useful for you. Next up, the free AI that edits your videos for you. See you in that one.